How to add text box to product page in Shopify. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to add text box to product page on Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and make sure you log in to myshopify.com with your account. Once you're here, you're going to click on Apps. Then, on the search bar, you're going to search the following: text field. Once you hit enter, you will now be led to another tab. Now wait for the website to load. Once you're here, you're going to add text box text field by Textify. It's easy to spot. Once you're here, tap on it and then click on Add App. Now wait for the website to load this time. This will take some time, but don't you worry, I'm still here. In here, you will now go back to myshopify.com. You're going to wait for the website to load this time once again. And once you're here, you will see a button that says Install App. Just click on it. Now wait for the website to finish loading once again. Once the website loads, the application should now be ready in your My Shopify account. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.